Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to copy your profile link on Instagram using your PC. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you want to share your profile with friends or promote it elsewhere. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile without any issues. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to navigate directly to your profile. This step is essential, as it takes you to the page where you can easily copy your link. Now that you're on your profile, you'll notice the browser's address bar at the top of the screen. Click on the search box where the URL is displayed. This is where you'll find the link to your profile. To copy the link, you'll want to select all the text in the address bar. You can do this quickly by clicking once in the search box, and then using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. This action highlights the entire URL. Once everything is selected, right-click on the highlighted text. A menu will appear, and from there, simply choose Copy. This action saves your profile link to your clipboard, making it ready to share. Now that you've copied your profile link, you can easily paste it wherever you'd like. Whether you want to send it in a message, post it on another social media platform, or include it in an email, just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And that's it. You've successfully copied your profile link on Instagram using your PC. Sharing your profile is a great way to connect with others and showcase your content, so make sure to use this skill whenever you need to. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.